All right, folks, welcome back to the channel, and here we have a kind of double new watch alert, double unboxing, call it what you will. So yeah, let's just get right into it. This is the SNKK 52. Some people called it the Goldie, some people called it the Seiko knot. Whatever the case is, it's been really hard trying to find this guy, and the opportunity came up, snagged it, and it's here. It's a really beautiful watch. Nice gold tones to it. It's in actually pretty good condition, so I'm very happy with the acquisition. Okay, so really nice, cool piece here. Everything works well, and this is exactly what I was expecting when I got it in hand. I may actually just call this thing the C3PO. But yeah, looks really cool. I like it. I just dated it. It's not sized, but yeah, really good, really good acquisition, I think. Wrist check. Here's the 44990 King Seiko from 1966 on a beautiful navy leather band. So I'm just gonna take this off, and I'll show you guys a quick wrist check. 6 3/4 inch wrist. Again, the bracelet's not sized, but just to give you an idea. So that's what it looks like. I don't have the dimensions right off the bat, but there it is. Sits nicely on the wrist, and it's going to be a fun summertime watch for sure. But yeah, really happy with it so far. Love that bezel, love the case shape. It's nice and lightweight, so really happy with that. And again, as you can see, really good condition overall. Okay, that's the one. Second one is an RLG. I have never seen one of these in person. I've never handled one, obviously. And again, opportunity came up where I was able to get a pretty good deal on these guys. I know they've been out now a few years. They've gone through a couple of iterations and various model changes. Let's see which one this is. Oh, like in the little leather pouch. That's nice. We got a hammer, pin nail, sizing tool, and spare link. Very nice. Nice little box. Okay, we'll set that aside. Not bad at all. This is real leather. This, I don't know if it's actually real leather. No, it's definitely plastic. You can actually smell the plastic. But you know what? It's nice. They did a nice job. I like it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there you go. There's that striking green. Right away you see it. Here's a tropic strap. Which is not bad. It's got a really nice buckle. Nice and flexible. But this is what I'm after. This is what I'm after. This green, from the moment I saw it, was so beautiful. Look at that sunburst. Really nice sunburst effect. I believe it's a sapphire bezel. I know it's a sapphire crystal. I believe it's a sapphire bezel. I would have to double check on that, but man, is that ever nice. Let's see the side profile. Nice side profile. Surprised with a little bit of a belly back for the Miyota 9000 series, but they do a nice scalloping of the mid case to make that kind of go away. Really nice buckle, milled clasp. And let's see what size it is. I'm just gonna size it. I'm just gonna wrist shot it. Bezel's nice and tight. Might as well show you the bezel first. And it lines up perfectly as of right now. And there it is. So again, I believe they call this 39 millimeters. Might be 40 at the bezel. Hangs over just a touch, as you guys can see there, but I'm really happy with this. It's gonna really look nice out in the sun. And yeah, really cool bracelet, really nice looking watch. So I'm happy with that too. Nice domed crystal there, double dome, no distortion. It's a no-day movement. So let's see what that means. Nice big size crown. Okay, you get a pop right away. It's winding. Oh, beautiful. No ghost position, first click, and it sets the time. That's really cool. I like that a lot. I think right now is 5:42. That's good enough for now. Really nice. Thread it down. And there you go. So there's the double unboxing. Show you the case back. It's kind of cool. I'm really happy. I really like the clasp. Basically 3 micro adjust, but basically like a San Martin clasp without the middle part cut out. It's got that solid, looks like a Hamilton style clasp. It will do the job. It will work fine. I really like the accents on the bracelet, the polishing and the brush transitions. Really nice. Like I said, I got it for a really good deal, so I can't complain. And I got rid of my Seiko Hulk, my green SKX or 5KX. And ever since I wanted, you know, this is actually a very similar green or blue teal color to it. So ever since I got rid of that, kind of don't regret it. I'm happy that it's gone in a way. But the green dial was nice, and now I'm glad I got another green dial here. Better movement, thinner watch. I know it's a micro brand, but they're the ones that seem to be doing all the right things right now. Alignment, better materials. The movement's a great movement. The Miyota, I've had nothing but good things from that movement. So far, really happy with that. I know it's going to look good on this Tropic strap that it came with. And yeah. Just getting some funky dials here. Here's the burnt orange spearfish. And size-wise, so 39 and 40, very similar. A little bit of a taller belly back there, but that's fine. It's still gonna wear pretty nice on wrist. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.